Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to change the app language on Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open Google Maps on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Once there, tap on the Settings option. Now in Settings, you will find the App Language option at the top of the page. In iOS or some other, this option might be located at the bottom. Simply tap on this option. Now here, you can choose any language from the list and set it as your app language. To apply a language, simply tap on it. That's all there is to it. Now you can use Google Maps in your preferred language. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.